First, let's look at our sprinter, the tortoise. Now, running is a generous term. Most tortoises, like the famous Galapagos or the common gopher tortoise, clock in at a blistering top speed of about zero point 0.3 to zero point 0.5 kilometers per hour. Why so slow? It's all about the engineering. A tortoise carries a heavy, bony house on its back, its shell, which can account for up to 30% of its body weight. Their legs are columnar, meaning they are built like pillars to support massive weight, not like springs to provide bounce. They aren't built for the 100-meter dash, they are built for a 100-year marathon. In the far lane, we have the garden snail. If the tortoise is a slow-moving truck, the snail is a leaking hovercraft. The snail doesn't have legs, it has one giant foot. It moves using pedal waves of muscular contractions, gliding on a layer of self-produced mucus. Its top speed? A dizzying 0.047 kilometers per hour. To put that in perspective, a tortoise is roughly 10 times faster than a snail. In the time it takes a snail to cross your sidewalk, a tortoise could have finished its lunch, taken a nap, and walked halfway down the block. The snail has one major weakness: friction. Moving on slime is energy intensive. If the terrain is too dry or too hot, the snail has to stop and glue itself to a surface to keep from dehydrating. The tortoise, meanwhile, is a biological tank. It can trudge through sand, grass, and gravel without breaking a sweat, mostly because they don't have sweat glands. While the snail is fighting the very ground it stands on, the tortoise uses its height and stride to overcome obstacles that would be mountains to a gastropod. So, who takes the gold? In a straight-line race of 10 meters, the tortoise would cross the finish line in about 1.5 to 2 minutes. The snail? It would take nearly 15 to 20 minutes, and that's assuming it doesn't get distracted by a nice piece of lettuce along the way. But here is the fun fact. The snail is actually the better traveler. While the tortoise is faster on its own feet, snails are world-class hitchhikers. They've been known to race across continents by sticking to the bottom of birds' feet or the hulls of ships. The tortoise wins the physical race every single time. It has the stride, the stamina, and the skeletal structure to dominate the slow-motion Olympics. Slow and steady wins the race, but being slightly less slow helps too. The next time you feel like you're moving too slowly, just remember, relative to a snail, you are a supersonic jet. And relative to a tortoise? Well, at least you don't have to carry your house on your back.